friends, today's recipe Sabudana fry, Sabudana Khichdi. How to prepare? We can see here. I have taken Sabudana which I have soaked in overnight in water, added groundnut, roasted and grinded groundnut powder and salt. So this mixture we have to keep aside. Sabudana you have to soak overnight. Now take a kadai, add 2 teaspoon oil. Don't add more oil because sabudana and groundnut will release its oil. Add half teaspoon mustard, half teaspoon jeera. Now chilies, green chilies 4 to 5. You can cut long or small. Curry leaves and fry it well. Add 2 onion finely chopped. This breakfast I am using for simple breakfast, not for upvas or fasting, because I am adding onion, jeera, mustard, all turmeric, pinch of turmeric. And now whatever we have prepared and kept, we have to add sago in it. Sabudana we have to keep overnight soaked in water. You have to keep water how much required only. Don't keep more. That sabudana should be completely in water, not more than that water. Don't keep, otherwise it will come sticky. I will show some other video that how to soak it. And groundnut you have to roast and grind and take it. Without groundnut it won't be tasty. Now add finely chopped coriander. This is a very healthy, tasty recipe and easy recipe. This is not for fasting. If you want to use for fasting, you should avoid mustard, jeera, and onion, and turmeric. So this is for simply breakfast. This is a very tasty, healthy recipe. Definitely try it and comment in the comment box how is the recipe. Our khichdi is ready. Definitely try it, guys. And thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.